Hello everybody, how do you do? Welcome back to another video, where in this video we're gonna be talking about how to improve your experience with a touch of Flair with the second thing, which is glass of water. After you welcoming your guest with your napkin, with the giving a hand, with a high five, or introduction with two people together, what happens next? It really depending on a situation. But what I'm going to show you right now that most of the bars, in hotels, in cocktail bars, not many clubs, but most of the good cocktail bars, they're giving a glass of water before he starts ordering the cocktails. So the customer have already some beverage, some refreshment in front of him, so he can be kind of more relaxed that he's gonna be served. He have something for him, so he's not gonna be really thirsty. And his blood is already getting a little bit more watery, so he is ready to drink more than he expected. The first way is, I'm always suggesting, if you have some bottles of water or tap water, I'm always loving it to have like bottle of mineral water or a water which we are giving to the guests, always ready in my rail or somewhere here. So is ready to give something, or if someone really needs the water really fast, so is by the hand. You're welcoming your guest, okay? So we put a napkin like that, we give a hand, ask him what he wants, and before he starts choosing whatever he wants, we take in a glass, filling it by the ice, and filling it up with the water. You still can talk, you still can communicate with him, of course. Then you give him a glass of water, sir, and now you are ready to choose, or keep whatever you're doing, keep the conversation, or move on to the next guest. With a touch of Flair, something which can give already experience to the customer that after the napkin, alright, or something, yeah, then we give him a glass of water while he is choosing something or he's communicating with his friends. So there is always option to get an attention. Instead of doing this and this, okay, or this and this, you have many options. You can just do simple move like a twist. What you can do, put the glass in here, slide it on the bar top, close to the customer. He's gonna get wondering what is happening. Then you catch it, then you do a thumb roll, then you fill up with ice, and then you put it here. Throw a bottle just flat a little bit, then you catching it in here, and then you start pouring a glass of water, and then you can communicate with him. And it's already much better than just putting here and doing something like a robot. The other option is to having a glass in a hand, okay? So you can do eyes around the world, just like this, okay? And now you can just put in it in here, and when you finish, then you put in it in front of the guest on his napkin. So he's not coming in here, because like this, he's gonna feel that you're doing something and he wondering what you're doing, and when you're finishing, then straight away goes to him, so he's gonna feel more happy, more pleased. There is as well the other option that what you can practice without the pour spout. There is sometimes you can see it in a hotel bars, okay, that they master their pours. So if you master your pour, so you can do a long pour, nice pour with a bottle of water, which can looks like this. You can play with those pours. Everything is it your profession, you want to look professional. So you want to look better than someone else, and your customer have a nice glass of water, and he already had small experience with a touch of Flair. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any comments or any suggestions what I can make it better, on what I have to improve, or what I can improve, or what you would like to see, let me know in the comments below. And if you like it, please thumbs up, please click on that and subscribe. This will really help me to improve my channel, and we can do it better and more funny content. So till next time, be awesome and keep practicing.